Hey there everyone, Red Dinosaur 2026 here, and today oh sorry about that, I'll get on with it. Anyway, welcome back everybody, this is Red Dinosaur 2026, and today we're getting ready to start on part number 4, and anyway guys, we're on to Cartoon Stomach Growls competition guys, because this is going to be awkward today, because I don't know what kind of situation might happen. But I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and I hope you see you on the next video. Anyway guys, enjoy the show.
You put a lizard in my backpack? Miles!
No! I said I didn't! Didn't you hear me? I said I didn't!
Come on, man. I'm hungry.
Sounds like you got some loose bearings, bro.
Nah, that was me. Come on, Kiva, what's taking so... Wonder if they got a drive-thru. I could really go for a Philly cheesesteak right about now. And that lion stomach! That's right!
We're really good at fixing things, but we can find something new if you want. Right after we find lunch.
Did you all hear that? I'm famished. I need to eat and build up some bulk.
I am definitely not hungry at all.
Now, I hungry.
Okay, all this training's making me hungry. Let's break.
Whoa, time for third dinner.
You keep...
Vincent. No, bad idea.
See the world for free. It's included? Oh boy. Let's check it out. That's $7 a piece. Count me in, Brainiac.
Melvin's hungry. Sausage. But I just gave you bacon and eggs. Sausage.
I'm so hungry. We haven't eaten since lunchtime.
It's your
Well, I guess I must be hungry.
Pappy's tummy is
Worst day ever. But I'm so hungry.
Hey, Beetle Jerk, I'm hungry! Uh-oh, upset stomach. If you don't slide some bugs down here pronto, I'm gonna... All right, don't bust your belly button.
Hungry. So famished that his stomach was starting to talk back to him.
Pipe down, stomach, or we'll never get anything to eat. Not eating well, huh? I know the feeling.
That was hard work. Now I need some food.
It's my stomach growling.
Me? Gosh, I need some fruit for my rumbly tummy.
Me too.
Welcome to the...
Exactly what it is. That's why I was listening to music, so I don't have to hear it anymore.
Goofy, that silly sound is coming from your tummy.
I know. It means one thing. I'm hungry for my favorite pizza. You have to make it yourself. Please. And we'll see you later. There. We'll get that pizza soon. Now calm down, little tum-tum. Pizza's coming soon. Work.
Great idea, Goof. Huh? Oh, and we'll do it quickly.
Thank you kindly. And not a moment too soon. Uh-oh, my tummy sure doesn't like the sound of that. Yeah, now my tummy can quiet down.
I'll get food.
But my tummy's running on empty, so...
I wanna eat. Nuts.
Okay, that's my tummy talking. I don't think he could wait either. He's saying, feed me, feed me. So when do we eat?
Construction zone. Then I got caught in a parade. What? I'm fine, but the closer to lunchtime we get, the louder my stomach gets. And my stomach says lunchtime's getting closer.
Follow us.
We better hurry, because it's even closer to lunch.
It's almost lunchtime.
And we made it just in time. 'Cause it's officially lunchtime. Gorsh, all that yummy talk got our tummies rumbling. Good thing I keep an emergency hot dog in my hat. Good at bending and twisting really low.
Yes.
That's just my tummy a-rumbling. Say, is it snacky time yet? Uh-oh, red alert! Oh, I forgot to have a snack before takeoff. My tummy's all rumbly. Sounds like my tummy wants some fun, too. And I've got my hungry tummy. I carry it with me all the time.
Gooey fish. This is making me hungry. I'm just a big pussycat, you know.
Quasar fights his worst foe yet. An empty tum-tum.
Reheat?
Popcorn? Clock? Gadzooks! I'm just trying to make lunch, not do rocket surgery!
My tummy rumbling is one of the best sounds of nature. It means it's time to eat.